showing you how to use McCall's natural colors. Our natural food colors are made from fruits, seeds, vegetables, minerals, and other natural sources. They have no artificial chemicals or colorants, and they still create vibrant, beautiful colors. You can use natural colors for chocolate, gum paste, fondant, or buttercream. Today we'll be showing you how to achieve the perfect colored buttercream using McCall's natural colors. Let's get started! Start with about half a cup of McCall's Ready Ice White Buttercream and McCall's Natural Yellow Food Color. Add 10 drops of yellow to the buttercream, then mix well. Scoop your brilliant, naturally dyed yellow into a piping bag or use it right away to decorate a cake. Next, we will use McCall's Natural Green Food Coloring. We use about half a cup of McCall's Ready Ice Buttercream and 15 drops of green to get a nice lime green. To make a naturally dyed light blue, we use 20 drops of McCall's Natural Blue Food Coloring. Make a gorgeous shade of pink with half a cup of buttercream and just 6 drops of natural pink. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl as you stir to dye all the buttercream evenly. You can make a vibrant orange using 40 drops of orange. We sure do like a bright, bold orange. You'll want to keep this color in mind when it's time to make Halloween cakes. Need a green that looks like it came straight from nature? We'll use 30 drops of our leaf green natural food coloring and you will have an amazing natural green. This is a great color for flower stems and petals. 40 drops of McCall's Natural Purple will create a pretty shade of purple. Keep in mind that our natural colors will deepen as they sit. We recommend mixing your icing 24 hours in advance and letting the colors sit, becoming richer and brighter right before your eyes. Add 5 drops of white to make your buttercream brighter and a cleaner shade of white. Mix 30 drops of McCall's Natural Blue Food Coloring into about half a cup of buttercream to make a deep, rich blue. Did you know that all of our natural colors have no bitter aftertaste and they are all freeze stable? They're really great food colorings. Drops of red natural food coloring is perfect for beautiful, rich red buttercream. If you want a brighter red, use 50 drops of our natural red food coloring. Make a true black can be tricky. However, with 30 drops of McCall's Natural Black Food Coloring, you can get that true black you're looking for without relying on chemical-based dyes. That deep black was made with all natural ingredients. Pretty amazing! All of these incredible colors were easily made using McCall's Natural Food Coloring. You can make bold, brilliant colors using food colorings that are chemical and additive free. Our food natural colorings are not just pretty, but they're simple to use. You are going to love them. If you like this video and want to learn more about creating incredible desserts, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see what's going on in the McCall's kitchen every day. Be sure to check out mccalls.ca where you can find everything you need to make fantastic desserts. We'll see you next time.